Hi guys, this is Nelson. Welcome to the A to Z of useful knots. Today's knot begins with the letter A. It's called the anchor hitch. The anchor hitch is used for securely attaching a rope to an object, for example, as the name suggests, an anchor. To demonstrate this knot, I'm going to use this piece of wood. To begin, so going to wrap our rope twice around our piece of wood here. Then just going to make sure I have enough rope. Going to go over our rope here, lift up the two loops and go underneath. Then we're going to tighten that like that. Then I'm going to make a half hitch by going under the rope and through the hole here. Again, going to tighten that. Then for extra security, I'm going to make another half hitch and tighten that as well. And here you have the anchor hitch. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!